Do you ever lie down at night and feel a burning sensation rising up your throat? That tightness in your chest, the sour taste in your mouth, the feeling that your stomach is working against you. If you're dealing with acid reflux or heartburn, you're not alone. But what if I told you that an all-natural, time-tested remedy has existed for over 10 years, and modern science is finally confirming it works? Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows backward into the esophagus. This often happens after large meals, eating too late at night, or lying down right after eating. The result? That uncomfortable burning sensation commonly known as heartburn. But nature offers support. Certain herbs can soothe the digestive tract, protect the stomach lining, and help regulate acid naturally. Over 1,000 years ago, the famous Persian physician Avicenna, also known as Ibn Sina, used herbal remedies to support digestive health. For heartburn and acid reflux, he often combined fennel seeds to ease gas, bloating, and aid digestion, marshmallow root to coat and protect the esophagus and stomach lining, licorice root for its anti-inflammatory and acid-balancing effects. Modern research supports these herbs as well. Fennel has antispasmodic effects. Licorice contains compounds that reduce inflammation. And marshmallow root releases mucilage, a gel-like substance that forms a protective layer over irritated tissues. You'll need 1-2 lightly crushed fennel seeds, 1-2 dried marshmallow root, 1 tub chopped licorice root, not powdered, 1 cup of water, optional, 1-2 raw honey. Method 1. Hot infusion. Quick, effective. Add all herbs to a mug. Pour boiling water over them. Cover and steep for 10 minutes. Strain and sip slowly. Method 2. Cold infusion. Best for marshmallow root. Add herbs to a cup of room temperature water. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes up to 2 hours. Gently warm before drinking if desired. This method preserves the mucilage from marshmallow root, which creates that gentle, soothing coating. Itch. When to drink: 30-45 minutes after dinner. 15-30 minutes before bed. During active symptoms for soothing relief. While herbs help, a few simple lifestyle changes can enhance results. Avoid eating late at night. Finish your meals 2-3 hours before bed. Elevate the head of your bed by 10-15 centimeters. Limit spicy, fried, and acidic foods. Watch for common triggers like chocolate, mint, caffeine, and alcohol. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly. It helps more than you think. Important note: licorice root may raise blood pressure and affect potassium levels if used in large amounts or for long periods. If you're pregnant, have hypertension, or take medication, please consult your doctor first. You can also look for DGL, deglycyrrhizated licorice, a safer version that removes the compound glycyrrhizin. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. If you're ready to explore time-tested natural remedies backed by science and tradition, subscribe to Nature's Remedy TV, because sometimes healing doesn't come from a pharmacy, it comes from nature itself. Stay healthy until we see you in our next video.